very welcome to this presentation. I'm Soft Reason, your presenter. And so we are going to be considering the fastest way to reinforce this reinforced concrete tank stand, just as you can see, like this. Okay, so we are going to be considering the reinforced concrete slab, beam, columns, and as well foundations reinforcement. And then we are going to be using another model for this presentation. For this, just a sample of the one that I've done. Okay, so I will be navigating to the next model. Okay, so if I click on this one, I'll click on no here, and then you see how we have this. Okay, and so I've hidden some of the levelings. Okay, so if I want to bring that out, I click on these provisions and then select all of this level, this one, like this, or I click and then unhide it, just like this, after which I will close the review window. So I have my level just like this. Okay, so you can see the TOF ground first. Okay, this is just a beam of total a tank stand, sorry, of total height 6 meters. Okay, all right, so for the reinforcement we have to go to this power pack detailing. Okay, so we have the power pack detailing. At first we are going to be reinforcing the reinforced concrete slab, just as I said earlier. So I'll click on the construction dispositions. Okay, this one I'll click on that. So then I'll select this area for concrete slab just once, just like this. Okay, after which I will click on the finished options right there. So the program is going to carry out the design successfully and then give me this page. So at this page now, I'll click on this run constructions dispositions, and then I'll click on run calculations for selected. Okay, meaning the slabs that I've selected. All right, so I'll click on run, and then I'll give the program some seconds to generate rebars. You can see for the reinforced concrete slab, I have to close this dialog right away. Zoom closely to the structure, so you will notice that the reinforced concrete slab has been actually generated the reinforcement automatically, just like this. You can see, zoom closely to see it very well. All right, just like this. Okay, so for other structural elements, we are going to be, selecting and highlighting the whole of the structure just like this. Okay, so we come over to where we have filter and then click on the filter right there. So in this filter dialog, we will have to remove floor, we have to remove grids, and then we also remove analytical floors right there. Okay, so just like this, and then we look at the rest of the elements. Okay, so we are okay with this. Click on the apply it right there. So if you check now, is only the reinforced concrete beams, columns, as well as the footings are being highlighted now. So click on the OK options. All right. So at this point now, you just have to navigate to the power pack detailing options right there. Click on the constructive dispositions right there. Okay, give it some seconds to actually carry out the designs of the reinforcement. Just as you can see, it is creating the foundations as well as the columns reinforcement automatically, and then it's going to create as well the beams reinforcement automatically, just like this. Okay, so let's just give it some seconds to carry out the reinforcement generating process, just like this. So it has to give me some result here. Okay, so I have to close this right away. All right, and then it is still booting. Okay, structural element joint order has been switched. Okay, structural element joint order has been switched. Okay, joining the beams with the columns. All right, so click on the OK options to get that join automatically. All right, so we now have it just like this. So automatically we have actually reinforced our structural elements like this, and with this you can carry out your detailing of your reinforced concrete elements very fast and easy, which detailing aspect of this we will be looking at it, okay, in the subsequent lesson. Don't forget to like the lesson. Do not forget to also subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more advanced lesson. We are going to be stopping here. Stay safe and bye for now.